Hello friends, welcome to this video. We are going to test no load test for three-phase transformer in our power analyzer model DXL 780. First I will introduce features of DXL 780. It has 0.1% accuracy, 8 ranges of voltage and current from 5 volt to 700 volt and 0.6 ampere to 80 ampere. It means we can perform test without using CTPT from 5 volt to 700 volt and from 0.6 ampere to 80 ampere. CTPT scaling is also given for higher measurement. It can measure harmonics up to 31 order and display update rate is 250 millisecond. Here we have one three-phase variac, one three-phase transformer in Gopal Electronic make power analyzer DXL 780. We will check connection first. This is voltage measurement channel and this is current measurement channel. The variac output is connected to current measurement channel as top side as a source and transformer primary is connected to current measurement channel at bottom side as a load. This is all done for current measurement. For voltage measurement, we need to measure voltage at load terminal. For that, we have connected voltage measurement channel to transformer's primary. This is neutral port and this is earthing port, so that you need to connect earthing properly. This is all done for connection. This is how our entire setup is. First we will turn on our power analyzer. It will show its own introduction. And now it is showing all phase voltage, all phase current and system voltage and system current. You can see that we have provided 22 keys for make operation easy. And there are two mode, fast mode and accurate mode. And this is hold key to hold the readings. This is system key. By pressing this key, you can see all parameter of system. If you want to see this in fast mode, press fast key. VRMS, V mean power, frequency, IRMS, I peak, power factor and system internal temperature. Now if you want to hold this data, press hold key and now you can take reading. If you want to see parameter for phase 1, press phase 1 key and now it is showing parameter of phase 1, VRMS, V mean, V peak, IRMS, I mean and I peak. This is showing in fast mode, and if you want to see in accurate mode, press accurate key. Now it is showing same data of phase 1 in accurate mode, and if you want to take reading, press hold key. By holding data you can take reading. Same as you can take reading for phase 2 and phase 3 in both mode, fast and accurate, and by holding them you can get reading. As I said, this equipment is multi-range equipment. For selecting range, there are two modes are given, auto mode and manual mode. For that, two keys, auto key and manual key is given. If you want to select range, automatically press auto key, then range would be select automatically. Now, if you want to select range manually, press manual key. Now you are able to enter the range value. First you can enter the range of voltage. By pressing up down key, you can select the value, and if you want to enter 175 volt, then press enter. Now it would be activated. Now if you want to change current range, press manual key, and by pressing up down key, you can set value. If you want to enter 40 ampere range, then press enter. Now it would be activated. But for now, we are measuring in auto range selection mode. You can see that here UDC function is given. By pressing this key, you can see UDC value of all three phases. Below that key, harmonic key is given. By pressing harmonic key, first you can select the parameter of which harmonic do you want to see. If you want to see phase 2 current harmonic, then bring cursor around I2 and then press enter. First it will show total harmonic distortion and harmonics up to 31 order. By pressing up key you can go up to 31 harmonic order. Here menu key is also given. By pressing menu key you can do settings. Press menu key again, you will be entering wire mode. Here is written use up down arrow. To change wire mode, press up key. We are in neutral to phase mode. Press up key. This is 2 watt meter mode, and press up key. This is voltage root 3 mode. These 3 wire modes are given. Select your wire mode and press enter. Then you will come in CT scale. By pressing up down key, you can select the value, and by pressing right key you can go right and left. Press enter. Now you will be in PT scale. You can see that minimum and maximum regions mentioned above. By pressing key, right key or left key and up key and down key, you can select range and enter the value. Same as for watt scale, minimum and maximum range is given and you can enter the value. Press enter. This harmonic input selection. Press exit. You can see that here we have given 4 different key below. Press first key VI and you can see all system voltage current for all phases and system is given. Now press second key PPF. Now you can see all system phase powers and power factors and system power and system power factor. Another key is V min and I peak. You can see mean value of all phases of voltage and peak value of all phases of current. Same as V peak and I min key is given. By pressing this key, you can see peak value of voltage of all phases and mean value of current of all phases. So this was our power analyzer model DXL 780 functions, and thanks for watching this video, friends.